Are you recording? You're recording, baby. As you guys don't know already, we are doing unboxing today, and we have what do you call this thing? This is baby. What do you call it? Vax, eh? Let me show. My knife is here. If you behave, I'll slash you, man. You better behave. Today we have this. This is what do you call it? Vax blade, Hoover. This one is it's not wire. This one is wireless. You don't need to carry cable with you because it is wireless. No need for cable, man. You can move it from one room to the other room without, because people sometimes I see people they are hoovering their house like this, JJ like this, and they're unplugging plug, taking to the next room. This one is easy. You do it like this, and you charge for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is fully charged, more like 4 hours, but 5 minutes fully charged. You take out. You go do like this, you go sweep, in the room to room, no problem, no problem, no. It is 25 minutes. You charge full charge. We give you 35 minutes of hoovering, and if you're fast enough, if you know the hoovering scales, you'll be able to hack a big house. 35 minutes is okay. 24 volts, enough volt there for you, and it is fast charging. Okay, you can see this is the box. This is what it looks like. You can hoover your car, your inside. You can hoover your what do you call it? Your pubes. Hoover. Okay, let's just open it. I'm talking too much shit. Let's talk. Open it. Like this. You have to be very careful when you open the box. Hey, look at it. It is shiny, shiny. Okay. Let's start to unpack it. Oh, look at it. This one they call it the leg. This one you go use and like this, sweep like this. Okay. Hey, this is the beats. This one is the beats. This one you can use this one for the rug. You have some more brush. It's okay. Everything is okay. You can try the back like this. But you have this one. Look at this one. This is the big one. Hey, Chimo! Hey, oh, why are you going? Please. Hey. How do you turn it off? Hey, it scared me, It's very loud. I tell you, the decibel is maybe 25 decibel. Not even 25, 100, 1 million decibel. Very loud. And you can see you have the preset. You can do, what's this one? Brush bar, boost mode, You can boost it like your frosting, boost mode like this, Okay. You have 20%, 50%, 75%, and 100%, Hey, very good. This is battery indicator. I like this one. Battery indicator to tell you how many battery life you have. I like it. It feels nice and light, Very light. You can empty it like this. Okay, empty them like this. You can see you have this one is air filter. This one filter. It filters the rubbish. This one is okay. It's very good. It's very handy. Where is the charging? This is the charging. This is the arm. It's like pennies. It's like pennies like this. Like this. Boost mode. You put it in and you boost mode. Okay. I'm going to set it all up and then I'll catch back up with you guys. Press pause. Come on, get out of my place. See all this. Come on. Let me bring myself. I see you. Where are you? Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Where are you? No. There you are. Come here. Let me kill you. Hey, okay. You want to run, You're running. You're nervous. Are you nervous? You're nervous. Where are you? You're here. Where are you? You stupid fly, You think you can come? Why are you nervous? Interrupting my video, Stupid fly. Okay. Okay. As you can see, it is all set up. It looks very nice. For the short people, beautiful. For the tall people, look at me. I'm 7'4". I'm 7'4", and you can see it's nice and level, eh? For short people, it's perfect because if you're 2 feet like this, it's okay. Like me, I'm 7'4", and then so you be nice. It doesn't matter how tall you are. Like I said, I'm 7'6", so it's nice. It's nice. Short people is okay like this, eh? So it's nice. You have the button, like I said to you, the indicator is there. You have boost mode, all this thing, and then you have your beats here. You have the charger. You know the charger here, charger. This one, I don't know how many watts. I don't know. You have this one. This one is to hook it, to stand it up somewhere. It's like Dyson, eh? Dyson Hoover. So you go just do them like this. It's hanged, eh? And then you have obviously you can take it off like this, put it aside. You can you have different bits here, different. So you can put this one, it will clean like this. Sweep, wipe everything, it's very nice. This one is the famous one. I see this one everywhere. People are using it too much. This one, use it and you suck your hair or you suck your thumb down, your thing like this, and it's like a space kind of gun weapon. Hey, oh, I don't drop it. Hey, okay. Calm down, where's that fly? Okay, guys. I dropped it. I'll pick it up later. Okay, but the final piece, this one is for black people here. You brush them. You what do you call it? You sweep off all the neats, because I know you people, you like to say black people have neat. So this one is good for the brush. You brush and you hoover. Okay. Anyway, guys, that is all. I have my knife. I'm going to. Okay. Please, I'm begging you, please subscribe. If you want me to go on my knee, I'll go on my knee. You want me to cry, I will cry. Please subscribe. Please like the video and tell me, comment down below if you like this type of video. Please, please. I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. I'll go house now.